You cannot confine a creative person. If you do, they will simply just find ways to be creative within their confinement. Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to my channel. This video is simply going to be how I hung string lights on my outside patio. It's going to be a real simple tutorial, so if you are interested, then keep watching. The items that you're going to need for this project is the Brighton Cafe lights. Well, these are the type of lights that I'm using. They are indoor outdoor, 48 feet, 24 bulbs, and you can use these lights in multiple areas as you can see pictured on the box. You can use them on the patio, deck, fence, as well as your office or your living space. And what's great about these lights is you can also purchase additional accessories with the lights. It's also advertised on the box. So I did purchase these from my local Home Depot, but they are available on Amazon. So I will link these down in the description if you're interested in purchasing them. I am also going to be using a power drill for this project. Depending on the type of surface that you're using for your string lights, you may or may not need a power drill if you're using drywall or something like that. But my patio surface is an aluminum type material, and I'm also using the black cup hooks in 1/4 inch that was also purchased from Home Depot. Okay, lifestyle lovers, the first step is going to be to use the drill to penetrate the surface. Not drill a hole into the surface, but you pretty much want to soften the surface to make it easier to twist the cup hook into the surface. Now, depending on what type of surface you have, you may not even need a drill. My ceiling is made of like a steel metal type material, so I needed to soften the surface to be able to easily insert the cup hook, as you see here. Keep in mind, if you drill a hole and the hole is too big, the cup hook will be loose. Once you have inserted the cup hook into the ceiling, I simply hang the first string light. I'm not hanging them in any particular order. I am hanging the first string light closest to the power switch on my patio, and I don't want them to be too close together or tight, so I am going to make sure that I keep a little bit of slack in between each light. So I just follow the same step and continue to hang the string lights. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is where I'm at so far. So I'm thinking I want 3 rows. This will be the first row. This will be the second row. This will be the third row, and then we'll bring it right back this way where the plug is. This is the Enlightened Cafe. It's indoor and outdoor. You can use it for your patio, deck, fence, pergola, entry, or studio, office, living, dining room. So this is how it looks. It's 48 feet And I think it's kind of like a better brand because you can add accessories to the lights. So if I ever wanted to get a little fancy, I can add like a I guess it looks like a little shade to the light, or I'm not sure what these call, or you can add a covering over the light. So these were $74.97, $75. They're called the Brighten LED Cafe lights. So yeah, it's a really hot day today. Yeah, that's it. I would also suggest, lifestyle lovers, that if you are using a power drill for your project, you use some type of protective eyewear. I do not have any protective glasses, so I'm just using a pair of my sunglasses. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is what I have done so far. It looks like I have one more row. So that's my power cord, and then we have them going across like this, make a curve. This is my second row. Then we have it going this way, and this will be the last row, and then it'll end somewhere. Then it'll end somewhere right here. So yeah. Reading is definitely fundamental, lifestyle lovers. I failed to read the box which indicated that the bulbs are shadow resistant. So before I hung the lights, I removed all 24 bulbs. So here is me not reading the instructions. I have to insert all 24 bulbs. Please do not do what I did, but that's really great that the bulbs are shadow resistant. As with any project, lifestyle lovers, something is bound to go wrong. So this is me realizing that I do not have a 3-prong extension cord that I purchased from Home Depot. So this has to go back, but I am going to use my orange heavy duty extension cord just so you guys can see the finished look. Okay, lifestyle lovers, here is a look of the string lights during the day. And this is how the string lights look at night. That's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. This was a simple, easy way to install string lights. I decided to install them on my outside patio, but these are indoor-outdoor string lights, so you can install them anywhere in your home. I thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is being safe and germ-free. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video, lifestyle lovers.